Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the wake duration of the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can change how long your Apple Watch screen stays awake for after you tap to wake it. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select display and brightness. Scroll down to the bottom to the wake heading. Then tap wake duration. Here you can choose between wake for 15 seconds and wake for 70 seconds. Tap to select your preference. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.